Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit views of tabs in Google Chrome. So first of all, the views tab in Google Chrome doesn't exist. There's however a tab overview feature that lets you see all your open tabs in a single view. And here's how to access and use it. To access your tab overview, first of all click the down arrow next to the last open tab in the tab bar of your PC. You can also use a keyboard shortcut, which is if you're using a Mac, you press the Shift command and the A key. If you're not using a Mac, let's say you're using a Windows or Linux PC, you press down Control, Shift and A. Now, how do you use the tab overview? One, the first option you have is to see all tabs. All your open tabs will be displayed in a grid or list view. Second one, you can search these tabs by typing keywords in the search bar to quickly find specific tabs. Next, you can switch tab. You can click on a tab to switch to it. Next, you can close the tab by hovering over a tab, click the X close to it. Then you can group the tab by dragging and dropping tags to group them together. Then you have mute tab. So hover over a tab, click the speaker icon to mute its audio. Then we have pin tabs. Hover over a tab, click the pin icon to pin it to the taskbar. And we have customized grid or list view. Click on the settings icon to customize the tab overview's appearance. Now, while you cannot directly edit the tab overview's core functionality, you can customize the appearance and behavior. By clicking the settings icon in the tab overview to choose between grid or list view, adjust tab size, and enable or disable features like tab previews and muted tab indicators, you can customize your grid or list view. Next, you can install Google Essentials like Tab View or Tab Manager to enhance the tab overview with additional features such as tab grouping and tab muting and more. By effectively using the tab overview and customizing to your preferences, you can efficiently manage your own tabs and improve your browsing experience. Hope you found this video helpful on how to edit views of tabs in Google Chrome mobile.